your minds will literally be blown out of your head. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just want to show you all the snow that we got. And
what's been going on in Arkansas this week?
There's literally been a snowstorm.
A winter storm, and we got like, I'm not even sure how many inches of snow.
A foot and a half of snow. But you should see our front yard.
But you're gonna go show something outside.
Yes.
What is it? What are you gonna show? Your
minds will literally be blown out of your head. Now, who doesn't like icicles?
So it's a huge icicle.
Yeah.
How big is that thing? That's like 3 feet.
Exactly. Like 2 or 3 feet.
Are you gonna try to break it off?
Should I?
I don't know. You want to see how big it'll get, or do you want to go ahead and break it off?
I doubt it'll get any bigger, honestly.
Be careful.
Exactly. No!
Are you okay?
Good.
I want a piece of the icicle.
So it's still snowing right now. It snowed a couple days ago, and we got a bunch of snow. And it stopped and was sunshiny for a day, and now it's snowing again. Oh my gosh.
Hey.
Have you gone to school at all this week, Cohen?
No.
Virtual days all week long.
Look at me and my sister's handprints. You probably can't see them.
Yeah.
I moved in here in 2018. That's his Olivia. That's my sister's hand. That's his Cohen. That's my hand.
You go show them the front yard and all the snow out there?
I mean, look at the boots.
Yeah, so snowy.
So you see all this perfect snow right here? We shoveled all that.
Yep, we spent a lot of time yesterday
I believe
shoveling our walkway, and then we got more snow today. Olivia, have you ever seen this much snow?
No.
No, you never have seen this much snow. Cohen has, but he was a baby, so you don't remember.
Since you're like 1.
Do you want to show him the snowman first, or check on the marbles first?
Check out the marbles.
What do you know where they are?
Oh, good question. So can you tell us about these marbles? What are they?
So they're balloons filled with food coloring.
Okay, water balloons filled with food coloring.
I wish
Yes.
I don't step on one of them.
You still eating that icicle?
Hey, kid.
Olivia, have you found any yet?
Oh, I found mine. I found mine.
There's one. Is it frozen yet?
No, not only in this
Oh
spot.
man, they've been out there for a couple of days and they're still not frozen. Maybe we're doing it wrong.
It's so good.
That's
And
what
it's still like,
that's what you were gonna want to do for your show and tell today. You've got a Zoom meeting here in about an hour. You were gonna do that for your show and tell, but it's not frozen. You're gonna have to find something else.
We could try putting it in the
There's
freezer.
2 more balloons in here somewhere.
I can find it.
Be careful.
That's okay. We can find them later. You want to go out there and show them the snow before he freezes to death?
Hmm?
I mean the snowman. That's what I meant to say. All right.
I mean, if you want to see snow, these are right here.
Right.
I think you guys have to do more shoveling.
Yes. All the snow shoveling we did yesterday, all gone.
And then you make a bird track.
Oh my gosh.
You can barely see it because it's all white. There we go. So it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, Dad said that Dad just put a bunch of snow on it today.
No, last night.
Last night, and then he was gonna wait till it freezed today.
Yeah, it's looking good,
shape.
nice and tall. We live right off of a busy road, so everybody driving by, it's not busy now because of the snowstorm, but everybody driving by in a couple of days will get to see our big snowman.
What if it melts in a couple of
Oh, it's not, I mean, it'll melt later on. It's not supposed to get above freezing for a few days. What do you guys think of the snow?
I love it. It's like my true love.
What do you think, Livia?
And
It's very cold, isn't it? It's kind of hard to enjoy it when it's this cold. It's been right around 10 degrees, 14 degrees.
And
1 degree.
And very recently we had an
No
ice
degree.
storm.
Yeah.
Negative degree.
All right, you guys about ready to go back in?
But not
It's still
100.
snowing on us, so we probably
And
need to
not
go in.
75 degree.
What did you just see, Cohen?
I found even more icicles.
More icicles. Way over there.
And our
So many.
fence has all of the wood on our fence have hats.
This is very exciting for us in Arkansas because this is very rare. A lot of people who live in the cold states see this all the time, but we never see snow like this.
Yeah,
So it's
normally
very exciting.
in summer it gets like 90 degrees about, let me think, every day.
Yeah. Hot summers. Not that cold in winters. Not cold enough to snow like this anyway.
I used to never like my Christmases here because we didn't get a lot of snow until we got this.
We still didn't get any snow on Christmas though.
I know, but it's February.
Yeah, better late than never, huh? All right, I'm going in. I'm cold. What do you have there?
I have my balloon.
Yes, the snow marble that we made, or water balloon with
Yeah.
food coloring in it. You finally opened yours, and now it's just this giant purple.
And our dad's
Thing.
hand is pink.
From opening the.
You think we
Hey,
should
if
put
you
it
guys
back
wanna
out in the
try-
snow, and then the snow will be all purple?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You think so?
yeah.
Yeah, I do too.
No, we need to go out there in the where the grass would be.
That ain't the grass. Just the grass right here. So anywhere.
That's good, sister.
That's plenty far enough, Olivia.
Careful, don't get the liquid on you.
Purple stuff on the snow.
Sure, other ones. We haven't opened those last two yet. All right, let's see if we can make our way to the snowman. Oh, you know what else we need to get is some arms for it. I forgot to get some arms. That's okay. Let's put everything on it and then we'll do the arms last, I guess.
Why do
Okay.
you have toothpicks?
Oh, to help put the buttons on?
Oh.
Do you want to put the hat on first or
Yeah,
last?
put the hat on first.
I guess go ahead and do it first. That's fine. Just be gentle, okay?
Can you open this since you have hands on? Oh, Cohen, can you open it because you have hands?
Okay.
You have hands. Can you open it?
Daddy was very dedicated and went out last night through our Christmas stuff and found this snowman hat that we had in all of our Christmas stuff. All right, you need me to help you, sis?
It was a Christmas tree topper. Now it's a snowman hat.
Yes, the snowman hat / Christmas tree topper, which we didn't use it as our Christmas tree topper this year, but we have in years past.
Can you hold this?
Got it. Got the one eye. You might not even need that toothpick, sister, if it stays by itself.
Yeah, keep it like
Yeah, you may not even need that toothpick.
here. And it's gone.
What did she drop? Oh, the eye.
Yeah, she dropped the eye. The eye of Ember. The eye of the toothpick. The eye of Olivia's.
You want them to kind of match on both sides, okay? Got it? Uh-oh. Let's try again.
I want Cohen to put the eye.
Okay, Cohen, maybe see if you can do it.
Can I
That's
stick?
one I've seen so far.
Oh, thanks!
Thank you.
Thank you. Who was that, Cohen?
It was a policeman.
Yeah, police officer. What did he tell us just now?
That it was the
This
best
is the
one.
best snowman he's seen so far.
Yeah, that's cool.
Can I put on the button?
Yeah, you go ahead and do the buttons. Cohen, did you get the eyes? Oh, good.
What
Yes,
is
you did.
This? Like I thought we were using real buttons.
Oh, those are for the mouth if we wanted to do a mouth, but we don't have to.
I want to do a mouth.
Okay. Yeah, those brown ones are for the mouth.
My hand.
So cold, huh? I thought you were going to put a jacket on, Cohen. And your beanie, I had to set a beanie out for you, too.
Don't drop that, please.
Doing good, sister. You need Cohen to hand them to you and you stick them on?
Yeah.
Can you help, Cohen?
Got like 2 left. No more.
Looking so good. Looking like a snowman.
Do you think we need the other one?
Oh, we don't have to. No, that looks perfect right
I
there.
want the other one.
I don't think we need it. Because then it might make it crooked, you know?
Yeah.
I think you're good. Are these spaced out the way you want them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we just need the scarf.
Oh, yeah. Here.
Mommy, can you give us the
Here,
scarf?
Olivia.
Can one of you gently put it around?
Olivia, Olivia, let me put this on.
Okay.
I want to put
Daddy's angel scarf.
Yep.
So our snowman's going to be an Angels fan.
We've never made this big of a snowman.
Nope.
Because we haven't had this much snow.
I know. In a very long time. How do you put a scarf on a snowman? I don't know. Like that. Can
All right.
Get Cohen,
That looks perfect, guys. What do you think?
Yeah.
Now it just needs the arms.
Oh, yeah, it does need arms.
We can use this.
All right, so we need to go find some arms. Okay, we found some arms.
Got the sticks.
Okay.
And the funny thing about it is that it actually has the twigs at the side and it looks like fingers.
What do you guys think?
I love it.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Perfect snowman?
Alright guys, that was the end of my video. Thank you for watching, and we're about to go inside where it's warm and toasty.